Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to use object eraser tool on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on gallery app. After click on gallery app, click on picture and click on this edit icon. After click on this edit icon, click on this photo icon and click on object erase. After click on object erase, click on erase reflection and you will see use object eraser from here and click on erase and you will see click on done. So you will use eraser object from here. After the process, click on save, go back to home screen. So that's how you can use object eraser tool on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.